Hello guys, Worst here. So today we are looking at top 5 decks that I will use in triple triple whatever it's called. It's just triple elixir, that much I know. And as you can see, I am not using any evolutions or any heroes because obviously it's my mini account and I had to show all the 3 decks to not get sniped at top ladder. Let's say not ladder, I mean the tournament, because like I'm top 1500 right now, and I literally saw a person trying to snipe me from my own friend. Snakes. But anyway, so this first deck is like a very nice one. It's like my favorite. Me being a good player, it's my favorite. I can just steamroll opponents like this. Just look at it. I'm just playing 3 cards over and over again. That's just game. And yeah. See you with the next deck, I guess. So next deck is rewards are all this thing. Okay, let's go. Next deck is a good one. If you have the evolutions for it, it's very good. The main problem I face is bait. Bola helps with it, but the bait is too much. If normal bait is hard, with princess it's harder. So if you're going against a lot of bait, I would not recommend this deck. But anyway, let's see. Millipeka? Anyway, this deck is like a very slow graveyard deck, unless you can like build up big pieces. It's a very slow graveyard deck with wins. Most important. It wins not by like sheer force, but sometimes it can like. Don't ask for the gold ability because they're so bad. But it wins. Anyway, so the thing is, because it's my mini, I'm facing up. So I can just go away, get away with goal at the opponent's side and stuff. But don't play this deck like that. Just play it like a beatdown deck, but your main tank will be the bowler actually. It will not be the golden knight. Obviously, because it's such a big unit and it gets so yeah, just tank with the bowler, graveyard, free, Tornado, and power. Then yeah. Next deck. Get to it, man. Oh, next deck is a good one. It's a good one. Because it's bait. Get it? Bait is still a good. Mota bait is so good right now in the whole game, in the whole meta. And I mean, bait is such high in the normal meta. Why did he ability? Anyway, bait is at a such good place because Expo is at such a good place in the meta. And now with the new heroes, Evo Princess is not that decent. She's actually a balanced Evo. How can someone with giant ranger? So I was saying Evo is such a great place. I love playing and Mohamed Light got number 1, but like there's so much with Aizen. In my opinion, anyway, in my opinion, yeah, it was really good because to a normal naked eye, as you know, the developers also don't play that much. The developers, like 99% of the player base won't know it's a very pro play or very There's some very intricate details that some pro players know. And someone who's playing the game for like, I won't say competitively, but yeah, in a good setting, like at a good level. I know when a person is not at their best and trying to play, you can't hide it from them. Like the mask of the pro player. The main thing about it is just I didn't like the thing that Pro did. That's all I can say because yeah, it's been confirmed by Gentic great. Finds out exploits, puts them to Super Cell and that's it. Only time I didn't like him was when the top one with the with like the infinite elixir thing. Yeah, so the Heisenberg stuff is just too complex for most of the people, but it shouldn't have been how it was. Because I think a deserving candidate who was in top 1500 who can qualify for the CRL did not get his place. Not like Mo will not be in top 1500 with all 10 of his accounts, so he's just another league of his own. But Mo should be the last player that's going on with the things in this game. It's not an accusation. I have nothing against Mo, and I guess it's like 3 people watching my videos. My brother, my one like true fan who's like copying decks from me. That's it. But yeah, this Golem deck. What can I even explain in Heisenberg case. Anyway, so that's like best in AM it is. Very good video about it. I have a popcorn with me. Oh, anyway, the which side? I guess the Heisenberg stuff needs to get figured out by someone who actually knows to play the game. I would like to see Surge coming forward. I would like to see Surge, Bot. I mean, Bot is good. But I would like some more neutral guys to come out to say some stuff. If you haven't, please check out the Heisen files from Best NA. It's like the best 40 minutes you'll give. If you try to understand some fundamentals of the game, you know, Best is a very good player. He cannot play the game for like half a year and still finish like top 3 in like 2 seasons worth of. He's such a good player. Obviously, my name is Arpan. I will praise him. Still, you can get that feeling when he plays. So that's enough. So anyway, this Aizen Mo. Let's say Mo didn't play at his bonus. Let's say. Oh, it's a 90% win rate. End season. 90% is not a big number even for Mo. Okay? And that was after losing to Aizen. The 4 games losing to Aizen. It's not normal. It's absolutely not normal. Not accusing anybody, but let's be honest. It's Mo losing to Aizen. You don't even know the guy. Half the people don't know the guy. I don't have much more to add. I think he clearly cheated. Generic might have some proof, some line cheats, maybe bot cheats or something. I'm not there to accuse, but let's keep the spirit of the game fair. In the end, you'll say it's just a game, but people are earning through this. It's not a game anymore when it becomes somebody's job. Let's not get into that. So just let's focus on the deck. This last one I don't like it that much because it requires some skill. Because in normal battles it doesn't require that much skill. Because this deck can rely on because Bridge Spam has been in a very good place, and if you are a Bridge Spam player, I definitely would recommend it. This deck is just for. This is the best deck. What do you expect? Whether it be 3x or you I'm such a bad player. Anyway, this is a good deck. Unless you run into 70% of the game play if you and your opponent have the same skill level, you are winning 80%. Let's say like 60-70% of the game. So it's not a bad tally, but enough to win the game. 15 wins, easy. If you are like seriously trying to play the game and try to pick out a deck, honestly I'll play Lang. I don't know how bad I'll be. I'll play Lang. Because it's such a niche deck with 3 spells. Let's say bait, let's say golem. Nothing survives. There's no bad magic for it, but yeah, well, nobody's playing Expo. Even if they were playing Expo, I mean, anyway, just let's. In this deck, I just recommend you always go dual lane flash. Dual lane flash will help you not just win games, but like 3 rounds so that it's a faster game for you. And 3 rounds in a tournament is very important because if you and somebody else has the same wins on the tournament and you want to be higher rated than them, you just have to have more crowns than them. That's simple. So those are the 5 decks for you. I hope you can win. Yeah, that's all for me. And I'm just correcting my words because I'm just blabbering. I hope this. I mean, this is too late for the guide, but let's hope in the next time I'll be better. Bye bye.